Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Vidhi. So this video is a get to know me tag. I will be answering questions about me. Why not self-indulge? Because I live in internet. So if you're wondering who is she, sort of adult, and who gave her permission to make these videos, keep on watching. First question, where are you from? I'm from New Delhi, born and raised there. It was a very dark, rainy night when this miracle came to this earth. Where do you currently live? I live in Mumbai now. I shifted here like 4-5 years back. What do you prefer, tea or coffee? I prefer coffee. Are you single or taken? Who will take me? I'm single. Are your grandparents still married? Well, I hope so. They're not alive, so I'm not sure what kind of arrangements they have up there. But fingers crossed. What is your biggest fear? Getting lost without GPS? What is your eye color? It's very pretty dark brown. Not just dark brown, it's very pretty. What is your favorite color? Well, it keeps on changing, but right now it's blue, specifically sky blue. What would your parents have named you if you were the opposite gender? Vidhan. What is your favorite food? That's a tough one. So I like
everything with cheese.
So cheesy things, pasta and all. And I feel cheese makes everything taste good. And cheese is the only reason I failed to become vegan. What is your favorite physical activity? So I like swimming, I like dancing, I walk to and from my car, and that's pretty much it. What is your favorite snack? I eat a lot of salted roasted peanuts, so that. What is your favorite song? So currently I like Meghan Trainor's I'm Gonna Love You Like I'm Gonna Lose You. Yeah, I like that. What is your favorite time of the day? 7 a.m. I feel it's the right time to wake up. What is your favorite type of clothing? Well, currently I like everything with long sleeves. So, long sleeves, tops and shirts. What was your favorite subject in high school? I really liked history. It was easier for me to remember and learn stuff. Are you a dog person or a cat person? I'm a dog person. I used to love dogs so much, but when I was like 5 or 6 years old, I was eaten by a dog, like literally my bones and everything came out. I was like a zombie, so I think my mom got fearful of dogs and she didn't let me go near dogs after that. But I love dogs. What aspect of your life needs tremendous improvement? Well, my social skills, it needs tremendous improvement. I get really introvert and shy and quiet and very awkward at times when there's a lot of people around me. So I feel I definitely need tremendous amount of help and improvement there. But I'm getting there. Can you close your eyes and raise your eyebrows? Hell yeah. Can you whistle? Do you sleep with lights on or off? I sleep with lights off, but I make sure that there is a little bit of light coming in from outside or from my kitchen, so it's not pitch black. Do you prefer kissing or cuddling? What? I'm not answering that. Kissing. Do you have a tattoo? No. And I'm not planning to get one either. It's just way too permanent. Do you have any birthmarks? If so, where? Well, yes, it's on my upper thigh. No, I'm not going to show you. It's not that kind of a channel. Not yet. Do you have pets? Well, I have this fake plastic duck, which I love. Who was your first boyfriend? Well, he was a very nice, lovely person, and I hope he's happy. And I wish him all the best. Look at me, so diplomatic. Who was your first celebrity crush? Well, I actually don't get attracted to celebrities. I'm not into good looking people. Yeah, I like bad looking people. But Ryan Gosling. But Ryan Gosling is not a crush, he's like a love. I love him deeply, but it's platonic. I don't want to be with him. I love him from far. I just want him to be happy. What's your star sign? I'm a Gemini, born on 1st of June. What scares you about aging? Back pain. Have you ever suffered a fracture? No, but when I was in school, I wanted one so badly. I actually used to pray that I get a fracture. There was this one girl in my class who used to get fracture one after another, and I always loved that fracture thingy where everyone writes sweet messages and do little pretty doodling. I always wanted one. Maybe it's not too late. Have you ever taken self-defense lesson? Yes, I have taken 3 Krav Maga classes, but the only thing I remember is to kick between the legs, and I also carry pepper spray with me all the time. What is under your bed? Hogwarts. What is on the walls in the room you're in? Well, nothing much apart from some water damage. This looks like a map of China. What is one guilty pleasure you enjoy too much to give up? Well, all these online shopping sites, I just add stuff to my cart and never actually buys them. So I don't think so it's going anywhere. What is something you are gifted at? Well, I actually have a very good memory. I can remember so much stuff from years and years with minute details. This is actually a gift and a curse at the same time. So, yay me! What is one item you can't leave home without? Well, my clothes. Actually, I used to have these dreams that I'm out somewhere and I'm butt naked. So I think I still get those flashbacks of those dreams. So I make sure I'm wearing clothes all the time. What time you usually get up in the morning? Well, apart from this lockdown, I actually used to wake up between 7:30, and at one point I actually used to wake up 4:35 a.m. as well. I like waking up in morning. The first book you remember reading? I think Hello Kitty. I used to read those when I was like in a nursery KG, I guess. The last book you read? I actually reread Alchemist few days ago, but the last new book I read was The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. What position do you sleep in? I actually sleep on my stomach and with so many pillows on my head, like so many. Sometimes my mother fears for my life that I will suffocate and die and she will not know. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest and 1 being the lowest, rate your fashion sense. Well, on days when I actually put effort, I am 8.5. Otherwise, I'm around 7. I usually dress well unless I'm at home. I look like a homeless person. What animals scare you most? I think underwater animals, because you can't see them. And I'm terrified of sharks. They are majestic creatures, but they're very scary as well. What is one thing most people don't know about you? Well, that I'm really sarcastic. I'm so good at being sarcastic that sometimes people don't get it and they feel that I'm actually saying those things very seriously. If you become multi-millionaire overnight, what would you buy? I will definitely buy an island and I will live there. Do you have a middle name? No. But a lot of people call me Bidhi or Nidhi. Just call me Vidhi, guys. It's Vidhi. How tall are you? I'm 5 feet and 7.5 inches. Do you have any siblings? No, I'm a single child. I think this is it. I feel like I've answered million questions and now you know me enough to hate me. So you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that bell button. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts and suggestions. Thank you so much for watching it. I'll see you guys next week. Be kind.